What's the usages of yolov4? The usages of yolov4 mainly can be illustrated in 4 aspects. These 4 aspects including bag of freebies for backbone, bag of specials for backbone, a bag of freebies for detector, and a bag of specials for detector. So we can see that that is mainly for backbone and for detector. And we divided the technologies we applied in yolov4, divide them into 2 categories, bag of freebies and bag of specials, which can be represented as BOF and BOS. And as a bag of freebies for backbone, we have cut mix, mosaic data augmentation, job log regularization, and class label smoothing. As a bag of specials for backbone, we have mesh activation, cross-stage partial connections, which can be represented as CSP, multi-input weighted residual connections, which can be represented as MIWRC. And as a bag of freebies for detector, we have CIOULOS, CMBN, job log regularization, mosaic data augmentation, self-adversarial training, eliminate grid sensitivity, using multiple anchors for a single ground truth, cosine annealing scheduler, optimal hyperparameters, random training shifts. And as a bag of specials for detector, we have mesh activation, SPB block, SAM block, PAM path aggregation block, DIOU NMS. And then we will introduce something about single GPU training. In order to make the designed detector more suitable for training on single GPU, we made additional design and improvement as follows. We can illustrate this point from 3 aspects. The first one is data augmentation. In yolov4, we use mosaic and SAT. And the second one is select optimal hyperparameters while applying genetic algorithms. The third one is modify some existing methods to make our design suitable for efficient training and detection. And this modified existing methods, they are mainly including modified SAM, modified PAN, cross mini batch normalization, which can be represented as a CMBN. yolov4 don't use cross GPU batch normalization, which can be represented as CGBN or SyncBN, or some other expensive specialized devices. So this allows anyone to reproduce the state-of-the-art outcomes of yolov4 on a conventional graphic processor, just like GTX 1080 Titan or RTX 2080 Titan.